Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be doing a little self-care routine, self-care day, and this includes me just chilling, laying in the bath, enjoying my own company, and also I'll be doing some at-home maintenance where I'll be doing some waxing procedures on myself, yes, and I'll also be doing a deep skincare routine on myself, and I also have a surprise for you guys, so please stay tuned into the whole video. Yes, the whole video. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. So first things first, I'll be starting off with my skincare routine. Of course, most of these things that I'm doing right now, I don't do them on an everyday basis, which is why it's usually done when I want to give myself more self-care. So first I'll be going with my La Roche-Posay Tolerating Cleanser, and this is by far my favorite cleanser. If you haven't tried it already, please try it. So I'm just gonna rub that in for at least 60 seconds. On an everyday basis, I don't do 60 seconds, and I'm gonna admit that I should do 60 seconds, but time does not allow that. So just going in for 60 seconds, then I'm gonna rinse that off, and next I'm going in with my Dermalogica Daily Exfoliant. This is the mini size, and this has lasted me for months because I don't use it every day, as you shouldn't at least. But this is also really a good chemical exfoliant. If you're looking for a chemical exfoliant, I really recommend this one. So this peel, I got this from, I think, Ulta or Sephora, one of them, and I'm kind of on the fence about this one, but it does what it says it's supposed to do, but I'm not sure if I'm seeing any difference in my skin after peeling it off. I do. The only difference I see is the moisture on my skin. Like, I can really feel the moisture on my skin. It's not dried out or anything, so yeah. So I'm just gonna be leaving it on for the whole duration while I'm in the bath, and I'm gonna be using my Dr. Teal's foaming bath with pure Epsom salt, the lavender one, and of course I'm gonna be playing my faves playlist. If you want to check out any of my playlists, just follow me on Apple Music. So after laying there for about an hour, well, at least until the water got cold, I started going in with my homemade scrub. This is for lightening and also for buffing off the skin, buffing off dead cells. Hence why the particles are so big and coarse, because it's actually salt, not sugar. It's mostly salt, but there's also sugar and also brightening ingredients as well. And I'm exfoliating before I actually wax my skin, because that's the best thing to do. So after getting out of the bath, I am just stripping off the wax. This is my favorite part. It's not messy or anything. Then after cleaning that up, I'll be finishing my routine by going in with my Good Molecules Niacinamide Brightening Toner, my all-time favorite. Then I'll be going in with my hyaluronic acid from the Good Molecules as well. Next is their niacinamide serum. Then next, finally, it's their rose hip cold press. It's their cold press rose hip seed oil. That's always a mouthful. Then lastly, for oils, I'll be going in with my Alpha Botanicals tea tree face oil and ginger face oil. And you notice I'm putting it around my mouth because all this mask wearing thing is very sensitive on my skin, especially around where the mask touches, and I've gotten a rash because of it. And from my research, I stumbled upon this site on Google and I decided to try the products, and it's been working well. So the ginger oil is for pigmentation, and the tea tree oil, of course, is for antibacterial purposes. Then next, I'm gonna be going in with my Laneige water mask, I think. And to top everything off, I'll be adding my Vaseline lip therapy on my lips, and that's it for my skincare routine. Now for the best part of this video, the waxing. So I'll be using the Tress Wellness complete waxing kit, and it comes with 5 waxing beans: peppermint, eucalyptus, lavender, tea tree, and lemon. It also comes with 2 solutions for your post wax and your pre wax, and it comes with the popsicle sticks for body and face. Also comes with a complete guide, so you won't be confused about what to do if you're a beginner. And you can follow them on Instagram and Facebook at Tress Wellness. And it's so nice that they included a written thank you note. It just adds a nice personalized touch to it. But today I'll be using the peppermint beans first. I think I used 2 to 3 packs of beans to do like all my waxing procedures today, so that's also good because as a complete wax kit, and if you're a beginner, 5 packs of beans is a good start, because I can't imagine a beginner would be using more than 5. And you can always have the wax warmer for future purposes, and you can always repurchase more beans. So first procedure is waxing these legs, and this is the first time I've actually had my legs waxed. Even before doing waxing at home, I always opted out of waxing my legs because I really didn't have any problem shaving it, but shaving becomes a hassle with having to do it probably every 2 weeks. But getting into this now, what I'm doing is pulling my skin and always going against my hair, against the growth of my leg hair. So my hairs on my legs grow down, so I'm pulling the wax up towards me, and when it dries, I'll also be pulling in that direction while I'm pulling my skin, so I get a good grip and the wax get a good grip on the hair, so it pulls it right out in one go. And you also want to make sure that the wax is not too runny and not too thick, because you don't want to risk it breaking when you're actually pulling on the wax. So after completing both legs, I'm gonna go in with the after wax spray, and this just helps to remove the leftover wax that is on your skin, and it also moisturizes the skin as well. This is also the first time I'm waxing my armpits because I didn't really see the need to do it. I was very content with always shaving, but there's always room for trying new things, and of course it did hurt so badly. Then after doing my arms, I did my brows, which I decided to film for another video, and of course I did down below. So the brows video will be after this one, so if you're watching this, it will probably be up a couple days after, or should already be up, so go and check it out. I will leave the link to that video in the cards and also down below in the description box, as well as a link to this complete waxing kit for some dollars off. If you use that link down below, you get some percentage off your order on Amazon. And of course, I want to say thank you to the Tress Wellness team for sponsoring this video and giving me this kit to try out and show to you guys. I genuinely recommend this kit, especially if you're a beginner. It has a complete guide for you, so you can't go wrong, you won't be lost in anything. It has a complete guide if you're a beginner, so this is a good purchase. And of course, there's a link down below for you to get some dollars off, and that's always good. And of course, if you go on the product page on Amazon, you'll also see the good reviews. So don't forget to check out the description down below for the link to this product to get some money off your purchase of this complete wax kit. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on the post notifications, comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next one.